Leelas performed, revealing Lord's merciful nature. Pure devotional service is not dependent on any material condition and it's so simple, it can be easily missed. There are several incidents where souls in the most abominable stage, social stage have been transformed and migrated. There are hunters like Ratnakar who became Valmiki, who became a great sage. We are presenting one such incident in history which occurred 200 years ago somewhere in North India, which is documented in Goswami literatures. His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada used to narrate the story during his preaching mission. For the pleasure of Vaishnavas, this drama is simple presentation to understand the merciful nature of the Supreme Lord Krishna. Once upon a time, in remote part of North India, there was a desperate thief, Daku Bhagat, and not surprisingly, merciful Gopal.
Sardar! Sardar! Wake up! Wake up, Sardar! Sardar, wake up!
What happened?
See, I have got something!
What happened?
See what I have got! Nice treasure! Look!
What a dream. What a place. Jewels, ornaments, diamonds. If I got all these, no need to do this
Sardar,
now.
that is dream only! But this is real treasure! What is the use of a dream? Look!
What is this? Such a small ornaments. You see, what is this? Such a small ornaments. I told you, you should think big. We should not do these small ornaments. Just think about that big ornaments. Jewels, palace.
But what to do, Sardar? People are so careful and so many soldiers around. How can we get such a big treasure? It's very difficult these days.
Oh. I teach you so many things. That's why I teach you. I train you for robbery. What the small things? You are my main person. And you are bringing this? You always care with these soldiers. We should not. Where is Lakhan?
Sardar, soldiers are coming, Sardar.
Sardar.
We need to run from here.
Let's go.
Take it, whatever we can take it.
शिवराज महाराज की Jaya Radhe Krishna. So today we are discussing the pastimes of Krishna and Balram. Krishna and Balram appeared in the forest in the village of Vrindavan and they performed such beautiful pastimes to attract the hearts of the conditioned souls. Once there was a time that a fruit seller came to sell fruits and Krishna exchanged a few
handful of grains for those fruits. And when the fruit seller went home, he found so many gems. And in this way, the devotees of the Lord glorify our Krishna forever, forever. Every morning, Mother Yashoda would, give ornaments to the Lord Krishna. She will decorate him with wonderful jewels. He would be decorated by the costume money and the golden anklets, bracelets, and in this way all the residents of Vrindavan were completely attracted to the pastimes of the Lord. So we end our katha with this. Hare Krishna.
चौरसिया महाराज की भगवत कथा की
This place is not safe. We should run from here. Soldier will not get any time.
You fool! What they are saying? Oh, you always sleep. Talking about ornaments, jewels, anklets. Just think. Do one thing. You go to forest and grab all the weapons. I will follow you.
Yes, let's do that. Come.
Pandit, tell Pandit.
Yes.
Where are the boys? Where are the jewels?
What boys? What jewels?
Boys, you just told about that bluish face,
Hey,
yellow dhoti, peacock feather.
who are you? What do you want?
I am Dagu Bhagat. And I want to know about the boys.
Hey, don't get angry. I tell you the truth. These two boys, one is Krishna and the elder one is Balram.
Krishna, Balram.
Yes, Krishna and Balram. Balram is white in complexion. He wears blue garments. And Krishna is bluish. His face is like the dark rain cloud. And he wears wonderful ornaments, wonderful jewels. What a beautiful form.
Hey Pandit, I am not interested in their form. I am more interested in their ornaments, their jewels, anklets. Tell me more about their jewels, their anklets.
Yes. They wear the kind of jewels that Krishna and Balram wear. They have anklets, they have necklaces. All the wealth of this world cannot match the opulence of these ornaments.
Pandit, tell me where I can find them. I want them now.
Then you have to travel towards north. When you move towards north, you will find the village of Vrindavan. In that Vrindavan village, you will find Yamuna, wonderful trees and the chirping of birds. And on the hill of Govardhan, you will see Krishna and Balram dancing and dancing and dancing.
You told Krishna, Balram, Vrindavan, Govardhan, river. I will go now only and I will back to you.
Maharaj, Krishna and Balram Katha was wonderful, amazing.
Yeah, the katha was wonderful. But do you know, after that, one dacoit came. He wanted to steal the jewels of Krishna and Balram.
Really?
Yeah, but I misguided him.
Hey Pandit, what is the name of the boy you told me? One is Krishna, other is
Balram?
So Krishna, Balram, Vrindavan.
Yes, Vrindavan.
You stay here, I will back very soon. Krishna, Balram, Vrindavan, bluish body, peacock feather, and yellow dhoti.
Maharaj,
Krishna,
comes again.
Balram.
No. You cannot find Krishna and Balram. Even the great sages, mystics, they cannot find. I cannot find. Then what can he do? He will not come here. Let's go.
Krishna, Balram, yellowish body, yellowish dhoti, bluish body, peacock feather. Krishna, Balram, yellow dhoti, bluish body, peacock feather. Krishna, Balram, the forest, the river. Krishna, Balram, the forest, the river. Krishna, Balram, river, body, Krishna, Balram. Who are you? Huh? What is your name? Oh, yellow dhoti. Are you Krishna? Huh? No. Who are you? What is your name? That? No. Who are you? What is your name? Where is Krishna? Look like the same village. Here I came from Krishna.
Hey, who are you? Why you have come here?
Who am you? Who am I? I am looking these two boys who is bluish body and having ornaments. Just two small boys.
In this village?
Yes, in this village.
How they look like?
Oh, the Pandit told they are look very beautiful. Small, they are wearing yellow dhoti, bluish body and peacock feather, and they have lots of ornaments.
Ornaments? This is very poor village. We all are cow herd.
No, that Pandit cannot be wrong. He told me that in the village you will find the two boys with lots of ornaments, beautiful form of boy. Who? I think Pandit cannot be wrong. These two boys, Krishna and Balram is here. Where are you, Krishna? Where are you, Balram? I am looking you. Krishna, Balram, kahan ho? Where are you?
Hey, come on.
I want these jewels and ornaments of you. You carefully take out all the ornaments and give on my hand.
Who are you? Why should we give our dress?
Have you seen this lathi?
What will this lathi do?
Lathi, I will break you. It will help me to break your head in 2 pieces.
We won't give you. Our mother will scold us.
You have to give me. Give me this. What happening to me? I am feeling very weak. Such a beautiful boy. You are not human. You are not. Who are you? Tell me, who are you?
We are cowherd boys, sons of Nanda Maharaj of Vrindavan.
You can go now. My heart is full of desire. I have no desire. I don't want anything.
We want to give you our food.
But I don't want these ornaments. And I don't want. Is it okay?
But we want to.
Okay. If you want to give me, are you sure your parents will not scold you?
Dear Rajkumar, at home, we are much more than this.
Oh. If this is the case, okay, I can take you. You can give me your ornaments. Are you sure you want to give it your wish? If you don't want to give, it's okay. But I want to see your beautiful face, your beautiful form.
Will you visit us again? We will give you more jewelry and darshan too.
Tomorrow, more jewels. It's okay if you don't give me jewels, but you promise me tomorrow you will give me this beautiful form of darshan.
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Pandit! Pandit! Pandit!
Hey, again you came. Soldiers are looking for you. Your life is in danger. Go away.
I am fearless now. Once I see these beautiful boys, I have no fear. I don't scare with these soldiers. They can come and catch me. Wow, what a wonderful darshan of these two beautiful boys.
Hey, big boys. What?
Hey, you only told me in your katha, the Krishna and the Balram.
Oh, it's impossible. Impossible. You cannot meet Krishna and Balram.
No, I meet them personally. What a beautiful form. The yellow dhoti, the bluish form, and the picket feather.
No, it's completely impossible. Do you have any proof?
Oh, you want to see? Just see. They give me their ornaments.
These ornaments look divine. They are not of this planet. Great sadhus, great mystics, great yogis, they run after Krishna to catch him, but they cannot see him. But this crooked dacoit, he was able to get it.
And you know, they say that tomorrow they give me again darshan and give more jewels.
Oh, then can you also take me to them?
Oh yes, let's go. Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Pandit, I'm sure you have come this place before that.
Yes.
And you must meet that boy as well.
No, I never met them.
Hear? Can you hear this? Can you hear this music?
What music?
Pandit, you are a stranger. Maybe they are not coming to you. Stop here. I will go there, bring them, and then I can show you.
Hey, but remember, whatever Krishna and Balram give you, you just tell them to place their jewels in the Brahmana mesh.
Wait. Should be here. I can teach you someone. Krishna Balram should be here.
Daku Bhagat, I think you have gone crazy. You have gone mad. Why are you dancing like this?
No.
I tell you one thing. This is all story. This is all katha. Come, let's go.
No, I'm sure Krishna Balram promised me they will come here. Krishna Balram, where are you? You promised me you will come here.
Daku Bhagat, I think you should take this.
Stop.
Daku Bhagat, you want more jewels?
No. I just come here to return your jewels back.
You want more jewels?
No. I don't want more jewels. My all desires are fulfilled. I don't have any desire no more. But I am astonished. This Pandit cannot see you. I promise him. He can show you, but he is not able to see you.
He is not qualified to see me. He has knowledge has no faith.
But I want you please give one chance to show him. I want he can show you. Then only he will believe that I see you. He is saying he cannot see you. Just one chance.
Okay, both of you touch it at the same time.
Pandit, come here. You see that Krishna and Balram is there? I will show you. Come here. Just come here.
Krishna. Oh, Ram. Great.
डाकू भगत सिंह की, श्रील प्रभुपाद